how to get wings in MU Dark Epoch. There's a lot of wings you could actually get in the game. Some of them you get in specific events or achievements or even crafting. Let's say you're going for the crafting or combination system. It's not just given for free. To get your first wings, you typically need to use the Chaos Machine or a similar crafting system and combine items like a Chaos Weapon and your Jewel of Chaos or even upgraded gear. This will create the probably early wings, and after getting your first wings, you of course upgrade them into higher tiers, but you should be able to find how to get the wings in a specific description once you unlock your achievements or even the other features. Just progress into the game and eventually you will be able to get a quest to how to get yourself your first wings. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.